In this video, I'm going to show you how you can revert to the previous backed up version of your WordPress website using cPanel. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To revert to the previous version of your website is pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your cPanel. If you are not able to log into cPanel, you should have a way to do so through your client area on your web hosting account. Once you're here, head to Files, and under File section, look for Jet Backups. Now, if you click on this, you will be introduced to Jetpacks, and here we have an option to back up. As you can see, there are a total of 8 backups from various categories here. So here we can restore and also download. To back up, go ahead and choose Full Backups, and this will display all the available backups on your WordPress website, and you should see these are the incremental structures. Now go ahead and look for the date to which you want to revert to. For my case, I want to revert to the status of my website on 28th of November. To do this, I'll click on this, and this will give me now options here to either restore, download, or even clear selection. I'll go ahead and click on restore, and here I'm told the following items will be restored. You can use remove item button to remove them all from the restore process, or click cancel to rearrange the items you want to restore. So if you don't want to restore any of this, go ahead and remove it by just clicking on X next to it. For my case, I want to restore everything as it was, so I'll go ahead and click on restore selected items. You also have here restore options, and for this you're told this option preserves existing live account data and merges with the selected backups. If you want, you can also go ahead and check this on. For my case, I'll go ahead and click on restore selected items, and this will begin the backup area, and as you can see, successfully added to queue. Now here the process will commence, and as you can see, the execution is on and the status is here. So be patient until this process is over, and once it's done, if you go to your WordPress website, now you should find everything reverted back to the earlier date that you selected. So that's how you can restore previous version on your WordPress website using this backups option. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.